everyone, this is Harshita Sharma and today I'm going to tell you about angle of modulation. So let's start. So basically the angle of modulation can be classified into two parts. The first one is frequency modulation and the second one is phase modulation. In frequency modulation, the frequency of the carrier is varied according to the message signal, and similarly in phase modulation, the phase angle of the carrier is varied according to the message signal. So now the angle of modulation can be defined as the angle modulation is a process by which the angle means frequency and phase of the carrier signal is changed in accordance with the instantaneous amplitude of the modulating or a message signal. Now the mathematical representation of the angle of modulation, the standard equation of the angle of modulated wave is S of t is equal to AC cos theta I of t, where AC is the amplitude of the modulated wave, which is the same as the amplitude of the carrier waves, and theta I is the angle of the modulated wave. Now the advantages of the angle of modulation over the amplitude modulation. So the first one is noise reduction. Noise introduced in the system produces changes in the amplitude of the envelope, and thus in amplitude modulation, noise can't be removed without removing a portion of the information signal. Next one is improved system fidelity. Is the measure of the ability of a communication receiver to produce the exact replica of the original source information. Thus, it is quite easy to reconstruct the information as the limiting is applied to the amplitude values only. So now the disadvantages of the AM means amplitude modulation require wider bandwidth. The sidebands for an frequency modulator transmission theoretically extended out to infinity. To limit the bandwidth of the transmission, filters are used, and these introduce some distortion of the signal. And now the required for more complicated demodulators. The demodulator is a little more complicated and hence slightly more expensive than the every single diode detectors used for amplitude modulation, and also requiring a turned circuit adds a cost. However, this is only an issue for very low cost broadcast receiver market. Now the application of the angle of modulation. So the first one is it is used in FM radio broadcast, in TV sound signal, in two-way mobile radio, in cellular radio, and microwave and satellite communications. So now the parts as earlier I told about the classification of the angle of modulator, that is frequency modulator and phase modulator, and now we will talk about frequency modulator. So in frequency modulator means constant, the carrier frequency arises with the amplitude of modulating signal. The amount of a change in carrier frequency produced by the modulating signal is known as frequency deviation. So here is a frequency modulator carrier waves, as you can see in this picture. So now the angle modulation means the frequency modulation. Assume frequency of carrier Fc is denoted by before modulation and Fi is denoted by after modulation. So the equation is Fi is equal to Fc plus Kf m of t. So Kf is frequency sensitivity of frequency modulator, and Kf specifies the amount of frequency change in the carrier's similar 1 volt change in message signal. So the equation of the instantaneous frequency Fi in the FM modulation is Fi is equal to Fc plus Kfm of t, where Fc is the carrier frequency. Now general expression for FM, Kt is the frequency sensitivity and Mt is the message signal. We know the relationship between the angular frequency omega I and angle theta I as omega is equal to d theta I dt. General expression for frequency modulator, as earlier it given, it starts from So, general expression for frequency modulator is K of t is the frequency sensitivity and m of t is the message signal, and we know the relationship between angular frequency omega I and the angle theta I. That is omega I is equal to d theta I dt, and 2 pi f I is equal to d theta I dt, and theta I is equal to 2 of integration of fi dt. Now substitute fi value in the above equation as it is given, and you can see in the picture. So the next one is general expression for frequency modulator. Substitute now you can see in the picture. So this is the equation of frequency modulator wave. You can see in the picture. So now phase modulation. This is the next part of the angle of modulation. In frequency modulation, the frequency of the carrier varies, whereas in phase modulation, the phase of the carrier signal varies in accordance with the instantaneous amplitude of the modulating signals. So this is the phase modulation carrier signal. You can see in the picture. Now mathematical representation of phase modulator. The equation of the instantaneous phase phi I in phase modulation is, as you can see in the picture, phi I is equal to kpm of t, where kp is the phase sensitivity and m of t is the message signal. And the mathematical representation, the standard equation of an angle modulated wave is s of t is equal to ec cos 2 pi fct of phi I, and substitute fi value in the above equation. So substitute in this equation as you can see in the picture. So this is the equation of the phase modulator wave. As you can see, s of t is equal to ac cos 2 pi fct plus beta cos 2 pi fmt. So where beta is equal to modulations index, and delta phi is equal to, beta is equal to modulations index, that is equals to delta phi equals to kp of am, and delta phi is the phase deviation. So now phase modulation is used in mobile communication systems, while frequency modulation is used mainly for FM broadcasting, that is frequency modulation. So that's all. Thank you.